Hello everybody, hope you're safe and well at the moment. It's Gavin here at Audio Boffins for those of you who don't know me. So in front of us, this is a older ground zero 4000 watt RMS amplifier. It's been bought in by a customer of ours that has been a long-standing customer. He bought it into us when he dropped his door panels off for us to complete some custom door builds for his Mark 7.5 Golf. The amplifier had, as the customer put it, something rattling inside around it. The amplifier I have taken apart. It has been blown up at least once in the past, and if Matthew wants to bring the camera in, I'll show you why I know that. So firstly, if you look here, you'll see that there's some nice soot marks on the board. This would be noting that something has gone bang in the past. It's been repaired, but the repairer hasn't cleaned the board up. I believe, looking at the repair standards, I know who's repaired the item. They would have done a good job, but of course it is very hard to remove all of the soot completely when an amplifier does go down. So it's not me digging at that person, for any of you that are about to say, oh, you're moaning about so-and-so. Not at all. I'm simply saying that using my eyes, I can see that the amplifier's been repaired. That's it. So for those of you that are bored, don't shit stir, because I won't be having that. So what we found inside the amplifier essentially is two little heat sinks, and these were the offending items of the rattle. Now these are, I believe, like an aluminum extrusion, so they are conductive. They were actually found down here, and they should actually belong over here. They are essentially supposed to go there and there on these chipsets for the driver output section, if my understanding of this amplifier is correct. They are normally stuck on with self-adhesive tape by the looks of it, but really they should be CA glued in place, and originally they were CA glued in place because if you look on here you can see a residue of the CA, but whoever has refitted the driver board, repaired the driver board, perhaps has used self-adhesive tape like they've done on here, double-sided tape. It's a good product to use, but it doesn't always stick. In this case it sticks lovely here, but not there. So these are going to be bonded back onto the amplifier. It'll then be put on the bench, powered up on a 4 ohm load, then a 2 ohm load, then a 1 ohm load, using various resistors and things that we've got to replicate or simulate a bench test. Providing it doesn't go bang, or it hasn't already gone bang as a result of these rocking around in the amplifier, it'll be ready for the customer to pick up and all will be good. It's had a few FETs changed, I think, because you can tell that some of the spring clamps here are also different. For example, those two there are not original. Those two there are not original, and those two there, again, are not original parts to this amplifier. There's some chafing and some vibration damages in the past. That there has been vibrating and chafing on the actual case, which is not ideal, so we'll be looking at this area, and it looks like there's a bit of cording broken there, but I don't think it's broken through the enamel, so shouldn't have any issues. We'll give the board a good clean with isopropyl, and yeah, probably see what happens at some point. But for now, that's enough of me talking. Stay safe and well. Thanks for watching. Cheers.